Let's do exercise 11a question 12 together, okay? Find the area of the shade region. Okay, first I call this red line, okay, red curve. Okay, this one green line. If you want to cut it horizontally or vertically, then you know that it is this value is, I change the color to, this is y, and this is dx of its strip. Okay, so the curve is integrate the red one minus the green one dx, okay, from 0 to 9, okay, and if I write better, 0 to 9, the y, okay, minus this y minus 1 over 2x dx. Then done. You can do it on your own. But some students may think that they can cut it horizontally. Then you see that the upper part above the x-axis is, I draw one more color, okay, the blue line. This is the blue line. This was this blue line. This is y equals to, sorry, this is x equals to 9. Okay, the yellow one is integrate dy and the corresponding value of x, okay, this value of x, that is, the first part is 9 minus, okay, the x. Now y equals to what? X, therefore x equals to y squared minus y squared. The first part is, okay, and then the lower part, I change the color, I change it to green. You see that dy, it is again 9, but minus the green one, minus the green one. The green one is y equals to minus x squared, but you have to make x subject, therefore 2y, x equals to 2y minus 2y, okay. Here is from 0 to, you don't know, you have to find this out, and here is, again, you have to find this out, okay. So conclusion for this question, better cut vertically, okay, okay. Question 13, okay, I call this green, and then I call this red, okay. From 1 to 2, these are x, okay. So it is very simple. You must cut vertically. It is easy. You cut vertically, okay. So each one is dx, okay, because the vertical, you cut the vertical here, longer, okay. Here the length is dx, okay, and the value is y. But what is y? The red y is, okay, the red y is 2x, e to the power x, and the green one is minus 1 over x, okay. That's all. Very easy. I think most of you or all of you will cut it vertically. And next question for this one, again, I call this green line. This is the red curve, okay. So I want to integrate. I will cut horizontally because every time is the green line minus the red curve, okay, and then this one is dy, the length is this one dy, and the y should from -4 to 2. Okay, this is the value of x, so I change this to -4 to 2. This is x equals to y squared over 2, y squared over 2, okay, y squared over 2 minus the curve, the green line should be x equals to 4 minus y, okay, minus the wet one is y squared over 2. Then again you see that this is y, this is y, this is y. Then you can do the integration. You will not consider cutting it vertically, okay, because if you cut it vertically, here you go cut it vertically, you see that here for this side, I change to another color. For this side it is green minus red, but for this part it is red minus red, okay, much more complicated. And for this one, we'll see that it is I change it to green, okay, the green straight line, okay, and the red curve, okay, I draw here, okay, but there is also one excesses, so I'm going to cut it horizontally, is it right? Then every time is the green one, integrate horizontally, every time is the green one minus the red one, okay, then with dy, okay, so this is something with x, okay, so you try to make x subject, okay, it may be a little bit complicated, but sometimes changing, for example, if I change the green one, it is very easy, make x subject, y plus 8 over 4 is x, okay, the green one. How about the red one? The red one, you have to do computing square first, and then here is plus or minus y, x minus 1, therefore x equals to 1 plus or minus 1, okay, is it right? Square root, okay, you see that here the x should be 1, this part should be 1 plus root y, x should be 1 plus root y, and then here this part is x equals to 1 minus root y, okay, then therefore if I write it here is integrate y plus 8 over 4 minus 1 plus root y dy, and the y start from 0 to 4,